Making money on Hay Day involves efficiently managing your farm, trading goods, and utilizing in-game features to maximize your earnings. Here's how you can make money. Grow and sell crops. Plant crops like wheat, corn, and tomatoes on your farm, and harvest them once they are ready. Sell these crops at your roadside shop to other players. The more crops you grow, the more money you make. Focus on crops that are in high demand. Animal products. Raise animals like cows, chickens, and sheep. Collect their products such as milk, eggs, wool, and more. These items can be sold in your shop or used to make higher value products like cheese and bread, which you can sell for a higher price. Trade goods. Complete orders from the delivery truck, boat, or town visitors. These orders will reward you with coins, experience points, and other valuable items. Fulfilling these orders efficiently can give you a steady source of income. Upgrade your farm. Invest your earnings into upgrading your farm, expanding your land, and unblocking new production buildings. These upgrades help you produce more goods, enabling you to sell them for more money in the long term. Join a neighborhood. Join or create a neighborhood to trade goods and help other players. This can lead to bonus rewards and a consistent income from shared resources.